Alright, so just the steering wheel off, and these pieces here should just slide right off. And inside is the assembly mechanism for linker. Looks pretty good in there. Corrosion or anything like that. I'll use a little bit more grease. But we're gonna take this off, so free that out. So to take the linker arm off, it's just this little screw here that's holding it on. This shim here, I just pulled this out like that. Shit. Oh, some tweezers and get that in there. Oh, there it is. All right, I'm gonna get that out of there with a pair of tweezers. All right, that's it.